Are you tired of messy brainstorming sessions and switching between 5 different apps just to plan a single project? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Boardmix, an AI-powered online whiteboard that claims to bring mind mapping, flowcharts, and team collaboration into one seamless canvas. But is it actually the best visual tool for your workflow, or is it just another overhyped whiteboard? Let's find out. At its core, Boardmix is designed to be a digital workspace where ideas and teams connect. Whether you are managing a distributed team, mapping out a product roadmap, or hosting a virtual workshop, Boardmix provides an infinite canvas to build on. The real standout here is the built-in AI assistance. Instead of building diagrams from scratch, you can use their Whiteboard AI to generate mind maps, flowcharts, and presentations, or even draft documents and create AI art right inside your workspace. Plus, it supports real-time collaboration for up to 500 people simultaneously, complete with mentions, comments, and emojis to keep everyone on the same page. Now, let's talk about pricing and value. Boardmix claims over 5 million users worldwide, and they are currently offering lifetime plans starting at $99 per seat. This could be a massive money saver compared to monthly subscription models if you plan to use it long-term. But let's keep it completely honest. While the feature list looks incredibly powerful on paper, we currently have limited independent user reviews in our database to verify how it performs under heavy daily use. On the pro side, the integration of AI writing, diagramming, and real-time collaboration in one place is incredibly convenient, and the lifetime pricing is highly competitive. On the con side, because we don't have a massive pool of third-party user feedback yet, we recommend starting with their free trial to see how smoothly the interface handles your specific workflow before committing to a paid seat. So, is Boardmix the ultimate AI whiteboard tool? If you want an all-in-one visual workspace that cuts down on tool switching, it is absolutely worth testing out. What do you think? Have you tried Boardmix yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.